Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this awesome paper spinner. You will need cardstock, string, scissors, crayons, glitter, stickers, and glue. Use a pot or a plate to trace 3 circles onto the different pieces of cardstock. Cut out these circles carefully with scissors and then glue them together. Once they are glued together, have fun decorating them however you want. Once you have finished decorating, use a knife or scissors to make 2 holes in the center. Thread the string through the holes and tie it into a hoop. With a little practice, you can make your paper spinner spin and dance in the air. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own paper spinner. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.